How to fix Google Map arrow wrong direction. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your App Store. In the search bar, search for Google Maps. And then move into this application. Right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, means that your application is not up to date. And it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. So in this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update this application to the latest version. Once the application is up to date, now what you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Move into general and then head over to iPhone storage. Scroll all the way down and move into the app Google Maps. Over here you have to click on Offload App. And once again click on Offload App. Well, offloading app means clearing the cache and the storage of this application. So once the storage and the cache has been cleared, it will make your application run smoothly, and it might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Google Map. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Google Map arrow wrong direction. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.